10 years of investigating the murder and disappearance of Crystal Rogers boiled down to 7 days of witness testimony. WDRB's Fallon Glick tells us about some of the biggest moments in court as the defense rested its case.
We learned more about the DNA on underwear found under a concrete driveway of a Bardstown home, as well as that hair found in the white Buick. Remember the search of this home in Bardstown in August of 2021? It was built by the construction company that Brooks Houck owned. Crews were seen digging up the cement driveway and porch. Investigators found women's underwear with hairs under the driveway, as well as clothing under the sidewalk. The defense said the DNA found on those items did not belong to Crystal Rogers. However, the prosecution pointed to the fact that there was no DNA profile, meaning it did not include or exclude Crystal Rogers. Now let's get back to the hair found in the trunk of the white Buick owned by Brooks Houck's grandma that we learned about earlier in the week. The jury heard the hair had similar characteristics to Crystal, but when it was sent off to the lab, there was no DNA profile. Again, meaning it did not include or exclude Crystal Rogers. We also heard from a cognitive psychologist who testified that statements made in police interviews in this case were coerced. You may recall Steve Lawson's ex-girlfriend told police she overheard Steve and Joseph Lawson talking about moving a body with a skid steer on the Houck farm. But when the prosecutor asked if coerced statements can still be true, the expert witness said yes. The defense rested its case Thursday. Closing statements start Monday at 9. In Bowling Green, Fallon Glick, WDRB News.